So hi, uh, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
How are you?
I'm good.
And how was the day in your school today?
Day is good, relaxing.
Okay. So I'm myself Ishant, and I'll be the math tutor for you today. Okay. And are you aware that what topic I'll be going to take today? Any idea?
No.
Okay. So like we'll be having different types of equations. Okay. So in that like linear equation, quadratic equation, then you can call as like a polynomial equation, right? So today we'll be looking into the quadratic equation. Okay. So are you aware about that? What is quadratic equation? I think like might will be aware about that.
No, I am not.
Okay. So like today actually basically we'll be looking into the solving the quadratic equation. Okay, solving the quadratic equation with various methods. Basically we have 5 types of method. By using that you can use any one method. Okay, and you can find out the solution for the given quadratic equation. So as I said, you like you don't have the basic idea of that what is actually quadratic equation. So like quadratic equation is like if I say you will be having like right in the equation you'll be having variable and constant, right? So what
Mm-hmm.
like variable and constant? So like here you can see this extra practice. Can you see that? I have
Yes.
just pulled out. So I have just encircled with this yellow color. You can see this is one equation, okay, and this equation is quadratic equation, okay. So what quadratic
Okay.
equation is? Here you can say power is 2. Yes or no? You can say degree or power,
Yeah,
right?
power is two.
So x to the power is 2, or you can say x degree of x is here 2, right? The maximum degree is 2.
Yes.
Here 2 times x is coming. One is here and one is here. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. So if you look at the
Yes.
maximum degree of x, that is 2. And if you look at minus 10x, right? So there, what is the degree
Mm,
of x? What is the power of x? That is 1. Yes or no?
10.
Okay.
1. Okay.
Yeah. So quadratic equation is when you look into one equation, and there if you find out the maximum degree of the given variable. Here like variable is nothing but unknown. Okay, so here you can see in this equation which I have like encircled with yellow color, you can see. So there are some numbers you can see and some like x like the terms you can see. So the numbers is there, right? Numbers are there, so that you can call as like a constant, okay, and x are unknown actually, so we call that as variable, okay. So here you can see we have like x square. So here maximum power, okay, maximum power or maximum degree is what? That is 2. Yes or no? Right?
Okay.
Yeah. So here you have to look in the given equation what is the maximum power or degree has been given. If maximum power or degree has been given as 2, so then that equation we called as quadratic equation. And here we have only x. We don't have any other thing like y or z at all. So it is one variable. So you can call this as a quadratic equation in one variable. Like that you can call this. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So I think now you have some basic idea what quadratic equation is. Yes.
Yes.
So maximum power, you can say maximum degree should be 2. And that equation we call as quadratic equation. Okay. Now let's try to solve if this kind of equation you find out. Like you can see, right? Some of the extra practice we have 1 to 6 problem, right? So this problem you can solve in multiple ways. We have 5 methods. How many methods we have?
5.
5 methods. So we will solve this question 1, okay, by using all the 5 methods. Remaining you can try, okay. So what we'll do, we'll try this first problem by using all the 5 methods, okay,
Okay.
right? Okay, so
Okay.
let me just a second. Let me. So the problem is x is square, right? X to the power 2 minus 10x plus 16 equals to x. Yes or no? First problem, right? This is.
Mm,
So let me copy this and let me share the whiteboard. Okay, so let me stop the screen and share the whiteboard. So here is okay. So can you see the whiteboard?
Yes. No, no, no. I can't. I can't.
Now can you see that?
Yes, I can.
So what was my equation actually? My equation was given like x square, right? Just a second. What was that? So equation was x square minus 10x plus 16 equals to 0. Okay. So okay, let me what I will do, I will crop it. Okay, I will crop it. Okay, just a second. So if I copy, it will not work out. Okay, so just a second. So this is here we have the whiteboard. You can see the whiteboard, right?
Yes.
So here, okay. So here, okay, okay. Did you remember that equation? X square minus 10x plus 16.
X square minus 10x.
Yes, yes. So stop sharing here. Okay. So what is the equation? X square.
X square minus 10x. I don't remember for it.
So x square minus 10x plus 16 equals to 0. Okay, that is what the equation. X square minus 10x plus 16. Okay. So yeah. Okay, it is not coming. It is not coming. Okay. So might you can see the whiteboard now? Yes. So okay, let me write. So what was the equation? X square.
X square minus
16x, is it?
yes, 10x.
16x or 10x, is it?
16x. 10x.
Okay, next is 10x. Okay, so 10x. Okay, plus what is that? Plus 16. Yes.
Yes.
Equals to 0. Okay, equals to 0. So we have basically 5 methods. Okay. So like first method, we can say factorization method. What is that? Factorization method. Okay. So let me write.
Okay.
Factorization method. Okay. First method is factorization method. Okay. So this is the first method. And second method, what we have just a second. Okay. Okay. Then we have like factorization method. After that, squaring method. What is that? Squaring.
Yes.
Okay. Squaring method. Then we have doing the square root. Okay. Square root method. Okay. Square root method. Okay. Then we have graphical method. Okay. Graphical method. Okay. And the final one is like graphical method means by using graphs we can solve it. Okay. And the final one is like quadratic formula. By using we have the quadratic formula. Okay. By using directly we can find it. Okay. So these are the methods to which we can find out the solution for the given quadratic equation. Okay. So what are the 5 methods? Can you repeat it?
Factorization method, squaring method, square root method, graphical method, and quadratic method.
Yes. Okay. So we'll see one by one. Okay. Factorize. First we'll look factorization. Okay.
Hmm.
So in factorization method, what we have to do? Let me keep at the corner. Okay. Fine. So factorization, what we'll do here? My equation is like x square minus 10x plus 16, right? So here, we have to look at the constant, like number. You can say constant or you can say number. So here in this equation, what is number is there, like 16 plus 16, right? Yes or no? Plus 16.
Yes.
And you have to look at the coefficient of the variable which having the highest degree. So here x square, okay, x square, and this is the 16. These two terms you have to look when we are going to solve by using factorization method. So you have to look at coefficient of x square and the constant term, that is 16. Okay. Now, if I
Yes.
ask what is the coefficient of x square, so coefficient is nothing but multiplier of x square. So here, can you tell me what is there in multiplication with x square here? Can you tell me? Any idea?
Uh,
Like
no, I
here,
have no idea.
what is the thing? I can say like 1 is there. It is not, you cannot see that, but 1 is there. Like if I write 1 into x square, what I will be getting? X square. Yes or no? Yes? Yes or no? Like suppose I write 2x. Here suppose I write 2x square. Like 2x square minus 10x plus 16. Suppose this is. So if I ask what is the coefficient of x square here? So coefficient of x square is 2. Okay.
Yes. Yes.
I think it is not clear too. Is it clear? Not clear? Okay. See, the thing is,
Yes.
coefficient is nothing but multiplier of x square. Okay, like x square is there. What is the multi? What number it has been multiplied? Okay, so here you can see I have written 2x square. Okay, so multiplier of x square is 2. Okay. Similarly, what I'll do if I'll remove this 2 and if I write suppose 3, like 3x square. So my coefficient is 3. Okay. See, I write simply
Okay.
x, so my coefficient will be 1. 1 into x square is correct.
Okay.
Coefficient of x square is 1. Okay. Now what we have to do, coefficient of x square and this constant 16 is there, right? So we have to multiply. What we
Yes.
have to do? We multiply. So what
Multiply.
I will get, like here, if I multiply 1 into 16. Yes, 1 into 16.
16.
Okay, but one thing you have to remember here, you have to look at the sign of 16. So before the 16, what is the sign they have given? Plus 16, right? Yes or no?
Plus
So
16. Yes. Yes.
to your mind. Okay, so that's why I'm taking 1 into 16. I will get 1 into 16 equals to 16. Okay. Now,
Okay. Okay.
here you can see we have the multiplier, coefficient of x. Okay. So what is the coefficient here? Minus 10. Yes or no?
Yes. Yes.
Minus 10. Okay. So now what I got here 16. So now I have to split my 16. I have to divide my 16 in such a way that when I do multiplication, okay, when I do multiplication, I should get 16. Okay. Again, I will repeat.
Okay.
I should divide my 16 in such a way that when I multiply, suppose I divide like 16 into two parts, like 2 and 8. So if I multiply 2 into 8, how much I will get? Or 2 times 8, how much I will get? 16, right? 2 times
16. Yes.
16. So that is what I am saying. You have to divide 16 in such a way that when you multiply, you should get 16. Now here it is actually plus 16. So you get plus 16. Okay. You should get plus 16. So, and when I do subtraction or addition of these two numbers, I should get minus 10. What should I get? Minus.
Okay.
Are you getting?
Minus. minus. Yes.
So what I have done, I have to divide that 16 in such a way that, okay, when I do those two numbers in multiply, I should get 16. Which is 16. And when I do either subtraction or addition, I should get minus 10, which is actually the
Minus 10.
right.
Yes.
So how I can do that? So what I'll be going to do, like, let me write with red. So what I can do, like, I can write x square. Okay. Another thing is this
Yes.
minus 10 is, so I have divided, suppose 16 into two parts. 16 into two parts. One is 2, one is 8. Now if I multiply, like if I do 2 into 8 or 2 multiply with 8, what I will get? I will get?
2 multiplied by 8.
Yes.
2 multiplied by 8. 16.
16. So that is fine. Now what I have to do, I have to subtract these two number in such a way that I should get minus 10. I should get minus 10.
Minus 10.
How I can get minus 10? By using 2 and 8. So what I can do, minus 2, okay, and again minus 2, like minus 2 plus minus 8. If I do like this, what I will get? Like in minus 2, I am gonna to add minus 8. I am gonna to add minus 8. Okay. So
Minus 8. Yes.
within bracket minus 8, if I do, what I'll get? Minus 2 minus 8. Okay. Or you can write in this way also, like what I'm gonna to do, like minus 2. Okay. In that, I have to add what? Minus 8.
Minus 8.
Okay. So what I will get? Can you tell me? Any idea? In minus 2, minus 8. What I will get?
Minus 2 minus 8. 0.
No. Here, the thing is like, what is 2 plus 8?
2 plus 8, 9, 10.
10. Similarly, if I say minus plus minus 8, you will be getting 10 only, but with negative sign. Are you getting?
Yeah, negative. Yes, yes,
So
yes.
what you will get? Minus 10. Is it clear?
Minus 10.
Okay.
Yes.
So now the thing is, you can see I have divided my 16 to two parts, that is 2 and 8. Now if I multiply 2 with 8, if I do, I will get 16. That is what I said beginning, right? And if I do minus plus minus 8, what I will get? Minus 10. No.
Minus 10.
So here you can see in this step, minus 10x is there, right, in the equation. So what I can write? I can write
Yes.
2x and then minus 8x. I have just
8x.
what I written? Minus 10x. I have written minus 2x minus 8x. If I solve this again, I will
8x.
get 10x. Yes.
Yes, yes.
Now plus 16. Okay. Plus 16 equals
16.
0. Okay. Equals to now.
0.
Now what you can do? You have to take the common. You have to take the because some of the terms will get common. Okay. So what I will do? I will take these two terms. Okay. These two terms and these two terms. Okay. From these two terms, I am gonna to take something common. So what will come common? Can you tell me? Look at x square minus 2x. What will come common?
Wait.
See, in both
X,
of them,
X.
x will common. Very good.
X.
Okay. X will
Yes.
come common. Now within braces, or you can say within parentheses, what you will get? If you take x common, so x has came out. So inside the parentheses, what you'll get? X minus
X.
minus 2. Is it?
Minus 2, yes.
Then here, now here what you have to do? Here what you can take common? The second is the right, like 8x plus 7, and their minus sign is there. So what you can take common here? I can take minus 8.
Minus.
No.
Yes.
I can take minus 8 common. So if I take minus 8 common from this, what I will get? So in bracket, like in parenthesis, you will say a minus 8 has come common. So only what will be remaining in the term of 8x? It will be x is only remaining. Yes or no?
Yes. Yes.
Then, okay, now here, what sign will come? Can you tell me? X minus will come or plus will come?
Minus, minus, plus.
What will come? So see, before it was written minus 8x plus 16. See, I am doing underline that with pink color.
Yes, yes, yes.
So here minus 8x plus 16. So what I have taken common? I have taken minus 8. So minus has also come out, right? So what will happen? Like within bracket or within parenthesis, like from the minus 8x, what will be remaining within the parenthesis? It will be plus x. Yes or no? It will be
plus x.
Plus x.
Yes.
Now, what about this? Like if I take minus 8 common, so what about plus 16? What will be remaining in the parenthesis? It will be minus. What will be remaining? Minus 8 has come common. So 8 2s are 16. Means 8 times 2. 8 times 2 will be what? 16. So
X
what?
minus 2.
X minus. Okay.
Yes.
So here I am getting x minus 2. Let me write.
Yes.
And equals to 0. Yes.
0. Yes.
Yes, right. Now, see, one more thing I would like to say here. Whenever you are going to solve a quadratic equation by using factorization method, this method is what we are solving this. Which method it is? Can you tell me?
Factorization.
Factorization method. Okay. So when you are solving your quadratic equation by using factorization method, so when you will come to this step, now I have written now within parentheses x minus 2 we are getting. So you will find out within both parentheses. If you look at here, let me mark with some other color. Okay, so I am just gonna to mark with blue. So can you see that? I have underlined with blue. Can you see that? So here, like both of the brackets are getting, like both of the parentheses are getting same term. Yes or no? In the first one, you are getting x minus 2. In the second parenthesis also, what you are getting?
X minus 2.
So that means whatever the till now steps you have followed, everything is correct. This is the identification.
Okay.
Are you getting?
Yes.
When you take all the terms common and when you write in within parentheses, so this is the step where you can identify either whatever the things you have done till so far, it is correct or not. So within parentheses, if both of the parentheses terms are same, means your step is means it is correct. Nothing is wrong. Everything is correct. You have done so far. Okay. So that is the identity. Is it clear?
Yes.
Yes. Now what I can do? Now again, what you have to do? You can take common. Now what will happen? Next step, what will do? You see that? Next step what? Again, we have to do the same. What is that? You can take, see, this is what my equation is. Now here if you see in the first term, you can see that I am just inserting, okay, x within parenthesis x minus 2, and second we have minus 8 within parenthesis x minus 2. So if you look at this is one term. Can you see that? Like let me mark with green. So you can see this green color which I have encircled, that is one term, and this another one is one term. Yes or no? So now if you look at in the both of the terms, something is coming common. Can you tell me what is that coming common? Any idea?
1.
No? See that. If you look at x within parenthesis x minus 2, in second also minus 8 within parenthesis x minus 2. So what is actually coming common? Yes? No idea? Okay. So what is coming common, you know? If you look at within parenthesis x minus 2 and here also within parenthesis x minus 2. Yes or no? Yes? So what is actually common? Within parenthesis, what term is there? That is x minus 2. That is actually common. Yes or no? So what I will do, I will take x minus 2, which is in the parenthesis, as common. Are you getting? x minus 2 that I have taken common. What I have taken common? X minus 2. Okay.
X minus.
So if
Yes.
I take x minus 2 common from the both, like x times within parenthesis x minus 2, and here minus 8 within parenthesis x minus 2. So what will be getting? So x minus 2 has come as common. So what will be coming? Again, parenthesis will come. So what will be coming first? Here will come x. Okay, because first term x minus 2 has gone out. So only x is remaining. And then what will be coming? X minus 8.
X minus.
Are you getting what I'm doing? Is it clear?
Yes.
And equals to 0. Did you got it?
Yes.
Any doubt? Why, sir, you have
No,
written
sir.
x minus 2 common, then how this x minus 8 is coming? Any doubt in that?
No, sir.
Okay. So here, now this is the thing, right? Now the thing is, what you are getting here, in one parenthesis, you are getting x minus 2, and in within one parenthesis, we are getting x minus 8. Yes or no? Right?
Okay.
Now, in between, can you tell me what is the sign actually? Which operator is there? Which mathematical operator? Like within parenthesis x minus 2, and then here, what is the, like, let me mark with the blue color. So can you see that blue? I have taken some here. Can you see that blue point?
Yes.
So here you will be having like what? One a mathematical operator will come, addition or maybe subtraction or division or multiplication. So can you tell me what operator will come there? Actually, these two are in.
Minus.
You just look at.
Plus will come.
No. Here, like if you look at this part, you see that this part, okay, and this one. In between of that, what sign or what operator is coming in between of that? Any idea?
Plus, I guess.
No. So actually, what is the thing here? You have the multiplication. This is actually multiplication. Okay. What will be there? Multiplication.
Multiplication.
See, you can understand this way. Whenever you don't see any sign, okay, or any mathematical operator, it means they are in multiplication. You can say in that way.
Okay.
Okay, so like here, if you see within one parenthesis, it is written x minus 2, and within one parenthesis, it is written x minus 8. In between, they are separated with the what? Multiplication. They are separated with the
Multiplication.
both are in multiplication.
Multiplication.
Now, if you look at the right hand side, okay, so you can look at, like, you just look at your right side, right hand and left hand. Okay, so here you have equals to 0, right? Equals to 0. So equals to 0.
Yes.
So where 0 has written, that is your right side, right? That is your right side, right? So you can call that as a right side. And x within x minus, that within parenthesis x minus 2 multiply with within parenthesis x minus 8. This is left hand side, because this is your left side, right? Yes or no? With your reference. So 0 is in right side, and this term is in left hand side. Okay. Now what they are saying here, x minus 2 and x minus 8, they are in multiplication, and when you multiply these two, you should get what? 0. What you should get?
0.
When it is possible? When it is possible? Can you tell me how it is possible? Any idea? How it is possible? Like you are getting 0. Now the thing is, suppose if I say, like, see, here it is like this. If I say 1 into 0, how much I will get? 1 into 0? No, 1 into 0. How much I will get?
0, I guess.
0. Very good. Okay. Any number, if you multiply with 0, you'll get 0. And if I do 0 into 1, if I do 0 into 1 means I have changed the order. What I will get?
1.
No. 1 into, see what I said? Any number you multiply with 0, always you will get 0. Okay. If in multiplication you have 0, you get 0 only. So if I say 1 into 0, 1 multiply with 0, you'll get 0. And if I say in this way, 0 multiply with 1, what will you get? 0. Are you getting?
0. Yes.
Okay. So here, what I'm trying to say, here you have like same way. In one bracket you have x minus 2, in one bracket you have x minus 8. Okay. Now what is happening? Once one term should be 0, then only you will get what? Right hand side 0. Yes or no?
Right hand
Here,
side. Yes.
x minus 2 should be 0 or x minus 8 should be 0. Any one should be 0. Then only what will happen? Suppose if I will make x minus 8 equals to 0. What I will make? X minus 8 equals to 0. Yes or no?
0. Yes.
If I'll make x minus 8 as 0, like this term as 0, and this is like x minus 2 is there. X minus 2 is there. So if I multiply x minus 2 into 0, how much I will get? How much I will get? Like
X, sorry. Come again.
Within
0.
Yes. Yes. See here, within parentheses, you have x minus 2 and into 0, if you do, what will get? 0. Are you getting?
0.
And if I say like this, like 0 into x minus 8 is there, within parentheses, x minus 8, right? Yes or no? What I'll get? What I'll get?
0.
So here, what the thing is, either my x minus 2 should be 0 or either x minus 8 should be 0 equals to 0. Then only what I will get? Right hand side 0. Yes or no?
Yes.
Right. So what I can say from here, this equation which we get here, which I have encircled here. So from this equation, you have find out that x minus 2 either should be 0 or either x minus 8 should be 0. So what I can say from this equation, my x minus 2 will be 0. Otherwise, what I can say? X minus 8.
X minus 8, 0.
Anyone will be 0, right? Okay.
Yes.
Now here the thing is, can you tell me what is the maximum degree you are getting in this equation? What is the maximum degree here? What is the maximum
0.
degree? No. What is the maximum degree? Degree in the sense, this initially you see
1.
No, not 1. What equation we are doing actually? Quadratic equation, right? Yes or no?
Quadratic equation.
So here you have to look what is the maximum power is coming. That is what I'm saying, maximum degree. So what is the maximum power here? 2. Yes or no?
2.
X to the power 2, right? Yes?
Yes.
So here actually maximum power is 2. So actually when I solve this quadratic equation, I will get 2 solutions. How many solutions?
2.
Okay. So when you have like maximum power like 2, means whenever you are going to solve quadratic equation, you will be having how many solutions? 2 solutions. Okay. How many solutions?
Yes.
2 solutions. Okay. So now we got x minus 2 and we got x minus 8. Okay. Right.
Yes.
So what I have to do now, the thing is I need x value. X is nothing but my solution. Okay. X is nothing but my solution. Okay. So what I will do here, x minus 2 is there. So what I will do, I need only x. So what I will do, I will add left hand side plus 2 because I have to make that minus 2 as 0. Okay. What I have to do, I have to make my minus 2 as a 0. So I will add plus 2. So similarly, if I am adding left hand side plus 2, so right hand side also I have to add what? Plus 2. Are you getting?
Plus 2. Yes.
Okay. So right hand side means that is 0 is there. 0 plus what I'll do? 0 plus 2.
0 plus.
Here also I have to do 0 plus 2. Are you getting?
Yes.
So here what will get? Here x will come and minus 2 plus 2, how much it will become? It will become 0. So I will write here plus 0. Okay, equals to right hand side what will get? 0 plus 2, 2. Is it? Now what we have? We have x plus 0. So if any number, if you add 0, what you'll get? Same number. Like 1 plus 0, how much? 1. Yes or no? So similarly, x plus 0 is x equals to 2. That is what one solution you got. That is what? X equals to how much? This is what one solution. Okay. Another solution what was? It is x minus 8. That is I am going to write with here. You can see black color. Okay. Okay. Let me write with pink. Okay. So I am writing with pink. Left hand side I am writing. You can see that. So what was that? X minus 8. That was another one, right? So x minus 8 equals to 0. X minus 8 equal to 0. Now what I do again, here I need only x, so I will add plus 8. So minus 8 will become 0. So the left hand side here I will add plus 8. Okay. Okay. So what will happen? Right hand side also I have to add plus 8. Okay. So here what will get? We'll get x, and plus 8 minus 8, what will get? 0. So x equals to, again what will get?
0.
8. What will get? 8. Yes. So one solution you got x equals to 2, another you got x equals to 8. So two solution you got. Fine. So what are the solution for the given quadratic equation? One is x equals to 2, one is x equals to 8. Okay. So now what is the meaning of these two solutions? So this equation is there, right? Initially we have written. So if you put x equals, if you substitute x equals to 2, or if you substitute x equals to 8, what you will get? You know, after substitution, you will get 0. What you'll get? So what they are giving right hand side equals to 0. So the solution for the given this quadratic equation is x equals to 2 and 8. Okay.
Yes.
So this is how you have to solve your quadratic equation by using factorization method. Okay. So any doubt you have?
No.
Okay. So remaining method will be going to see into the next class. Okay. So we have basically 5 methods. Today we have seen factorization. Remaining is like square method and square root method.